Good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. Today we are going to study about division. Division means the process of placement or distribution equally. Sign of division. For example, divide 12 stars into group of 3. So, here 12 stars is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In 12 stars, we have to divide group of 3. Means, see children. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group and 4. Each group having 3 stars. So, how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. Divided in 4 groups of 3 stars. So we will write like number of group 4, like 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Understood, children? Let's see some more examples in your maths textbook. Lesson 6, Division. Page number 143. Open page number 143. 143. Lesson 5, Division. We will start from activity 1. In a village called Ranganahalli, there lived an old lady by name Gangamma. Her 3 grandchildren came to her house during holidays. She gave them 6 mangoes and asked them to share equally. How many mangoes does each get? So Gangamma gave 6 mangoes to their grandchildren. Now they have to share equally. So see children, make group of equal means 2. So there are 3 groups of 2 mangoes. So each one get 2 mangoes. 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. So each get 2 mangoes. Activity 2. There are 9 chocolates in a plate. Distribute them equally among 3 children. How many chocolates will each get? There are 9 chocolates in a plate. Now you have to distribute equally among 3 children. Vimal, Sham, Sujata. First time distribute 1 to each of them. 6 chocolates remain. See children, there are 9 chocolates. There are 9 chocolates, means first we have to distribute 1 chocolate to each, and in 9 chocolate already we have taken 3 chocolate, means remaining is 6. In 6 chocolate again 3 chocolates, means again 3 minus 3 means remaining 3 chocolates, 1 for Vimal and 1 for Sham and 1 for Sujata. So remaining is 0. So, we have distributed chocolate 3 in a group of 3. Understood children? In one, each get 3 chocolates. We have distributed equally. Division means distribution equally or placement equally. Understood children? Let's see some more examples. Count the things in the picture and distribute equally in the trays. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples is there and 2 trays is there. You have to distribute equally. So we will add 1 apple in this tree. Trays having 3 apples. We divided 6 apples into group of 3. Understood children? Next example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 candles is there. We have to distribute in 4. See children, 1. And here also 1. We will distribute each one first. And remaining is 4. So, here 1 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, in 8 candles, we have distributed 2 group of 4. Understood children? Remaining this one, homework for you. Draw the line and divide them into equal shares. Example. We have to divide it in equal share and we have to draw the line. See. Understood children? We have divided in equal shares. Here 3 and here 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each group having equal numbers or equal stars. Exercise. Make equal distribution as shown in the example. Here they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls and here 3 container. We have to put equal balls in this container. So see children, in previous class we have studied about multiplication. Means I already told you that you have to learn tables. If you have learned already, means division will be very easy for you. For example, see 6 in 3 groups. In 3 tables 6 is there? Yes. Then let's start. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. It is the answer and it is container and it is balls. We have to distribute in 2 balls in each container. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls distributed in 2 of group of 3. Understood children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 stars. And here they have given 3 containers. So see children. 9 stars are there. In 3 table 9 is there? Yes. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So 3 threes are 9. We have to divide 9 stars in 3 group of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stars are distributed in equally. Each container having 3 stars. Understood children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 circles is there. And here 4 containers. 4 into is equal to how many circles are there? 8 circles. So see children, in 4 table 8 is there? Yes. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So 8 circles and 4 containers we have to distribute in a 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So total 4 container having 2 circles. Each container having 2 circles. Understood children? Remaining these 2 homework for you. Make equal shares as done in the example. Example 9. 9 and 3. They are distributed in 3 groups. So 3 into 9. In a 3 table 9 is there. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So answer is 3. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. So answer is 9. Understood, children? See one more example. Here they have given number 5. We have to distribute in 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. So we have to distribute in 5. 5 ones are 5. Each group of having number 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So we have distributed equally in 5 groups. Understood, children? See, let one more example. 8 we have to divide it in 2. In 2 table 8 is there? Yes. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So answer is 4. We have to distribute into group of 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 fours are 8. Understood, children? Remaining these two homework for you. Distribute the following into equal parts. Equal parts. We have to distribute in equal parts. 8. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 table 8 is there. Let's start. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Yes, 4 twos are 8. So we have to equal in parts 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. 4 twos are 8. And 10 we have to distribute in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 groups we have to distribute in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in 5 table 10 is there? Yes. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So here we have to write 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 5 twos are 10. Understood, children? Remaining these two homework for you. Stitch the buttons to shirts equally as shown in the example. Example. Stitch 12 buttons to 2 shirts equally. There are 12 buttons. We have to stitch 12 buttons to 2 shirts equally. So, see, children, we have to distribute 12 in 2 group of. In 2 table 12 is there? Yes. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12. So we are having 12 buttons and we have to distribute each group equally, means 6 in group of 2. 6 buttons we have distributed in equally. Stitch 15 buttons to 3 shirts equally. There are 3 shirts. We have to distribute 15 buttons. So in 3 table 15 is there? Yes. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. Means each shirt get 5 buttons. We have to stitch 5 buttons for each shirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each shirt having 5 buttons. We have distributed 15 as a 5 in a 3 groups. Understood, children? Remaining this one homework for you.